Hey, it's Kip Adkins with Diversified Financing Solutions, your real estate investment financier for all things real estate. I'm going to talk about the BRRRR strategy. The BRRRR, if you don't already know, is that plan to buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat. The premise of this plan is you don't have hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars to build a portfolio of rental homes. You do have capital to put down, so you keep cycling your money in and out and build that portfolio, creating that legacy. The plan starts like this. You have a few bucks to buy a fixer-upper home at a discount. You take out a fix and flip loan from yours truly, make the repairs needed to improve the home, increasing the value and earn more equity. Then rent the home out, refinance using the DSCR loan product, get your initial capital back, plus maybe a little bit more, then repeat the process. Diversified Financing Solutions offers both the fix and flip loan and the DSCR loan. Reach out today to get more details and talk through your real estate investment business plan with Kip. My calendar link is below if you want to set up a time to meet, or you can call me directly at 800-228-8180, extension 100. Let's get you all dialed in with your own personal BRRRR plan and how you can build your legacy. Reach out today.